I'm Nilo. I work with the paint production team at Wil-Ro. I've been manufacturing for over 15 years and professionally painting for over 5. I prep and paint truck bodies at Wil-Ro. I do any necessary body work. I apply the primer and paint the truck bodies. We take a lot of pride not only in the work we perform, but also the products we use. It is so incredible to see a finished product come together. Everybody's super cool. We always look out for each other. It's like a big family. It's a great place to work. Every day when I get to Wil-Ro, I do something a little bit different. It always keeps me interested and engaged in the work I do. This allows me room to grow in my career, and I love that. This position requires a very precise attention to detail and is a fast-paced environment. You need to come in every day, ready to work, and work well with the team. When I see a Wil-Ro truck body on the road, I always crack a smile. I was a part of that.